Welcome to Learn English YouTube channel. You'll have 25 questions, and for each one, you'll see a clue for just 5 seconds. Try to guess the correct body part before time runs out. Every correct answer gives you 1 point. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun English quizzes. Let's begin. What's the name of this body part? Hair. Can you name this body part? Skull. Do you know the name of this body part? Nose. Identify this body part. Tongue. What is this body part called? Eye. Which body part is this? Shoulder. What's the name of this body part? Forearm. Can you name this body part? Muscle. Do you know the name of this body part? Wrist. Identify this body part. Neck. What is this body part called? Tongue. Which body part is this? Forehead. What's the name of this body part? Ear. Can you name this body part? Freckle. What is this body part called? Eyebrow. Which body part is this? Cheek. What's the name of this body part? Tooth. Can you name this body part? Arm. Identify this body part. Leg. What is this body part called? Knee. Which body part is this? Toes? What's the name of this body part? Foot. Can you name this body part? Finger. What is this body part called? Face. What's the name of this body part? Waist. Time's up. How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments below.